Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, and the power of charts. So I'm not patting myself on the back, but I talked about yesterday how the price had been doing a great job of working its way upwards via that trend line right there, but then also this pink line here was being very stubborn and was going to be that key level of resistance. But you can see this morning finally got the breakout from it, and then everything exploded from that point. So a classic example here of how charts work. If you want a little bit more context, you can just go back and watch the video from August 14th that I did. But definitely a great example here in real life of how charts work and why they're beneficial as a tool. So as far as newer levels are concerned now and updates, first key level of support going forward now would be right there at $13.25. $13.25 is important for no other reason, and hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, so a breakout that's truly a breakout, well, over time it's going to keep on breaking out, right? It's not going to go back to where it was. It's going to make progress forward. So with that in mind, think about $13.25. If the price were to come down to $13.25 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this pattern that it just broke out from. And again, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. So from that point of view, $13.25, definitely a very important area of support now going forward. However, what about levels of resistance? So if this breakout move is going to continue, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? First key level to watch is going to be simply where the party finally stopped today and the momentum ran out. That was essentially at the $14.15 mark. I get it, the price, went slightly above there, but that didn't last that long. So $14.50 is going to be what I'd consider more so the truer level of resistance. If the price can push up there through $14.50, next key overall level after that, right up there around the $15 mark. But all in all, the breakout is underway. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this breakout going forward. Let's see if the price can start to make progress or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.